Hey guys, this is me, Joan. Today we're playing the Tugs game. As you know that my old account was banned, so guys, when my account is unbanned, I could work on the Tugs, and the game is Tugs, or I'm gonna rename it as. Let's couple into the cobblestone trucks. Let's see if Salty's gonna or fly away. The gun should just happen. It like takes long for the turntable. So if you guys up, he doesn't get stuck. Dark. Yeah, he's crashed. Guys, let's see. A couple salty. And the count of three. 1, 2, 3, boom. These troublesome trucks don't even flown away. So we're coupling into the troublesome truck. Wait, let's see. This is my new account, but my old account is banned, so guys. I'm just reading on that Salt is coming the troublesome truck, so let's go. It's like they're gonna like crash. Oh, here they are. Oh my god. Yeah, let's go. And my father is in a meeting, so guys. So here's kind of trucks. It's like he's slow. And this is obvious when the trucks can't be filled with coal. Have lower tidmouth. No, guys, I'm gonna put this at private, and I'm thinking of like tearing this whole track there because like we can't have tidmouth. It's gonna be too much loads and all those bugs and stuff. So I'm gonna like remove it so that nobody won't know. Lower Timoth is a little further away from Knapford. And we're gonna add a look so that people can even look at watch how salty can push. So I kind of look like a noob. Here's my noob face. Oh, the trucks are popping. So just stop. Okay, let's go salty. Is that the trucks are not gonna crash? That's why. There's the express coaches. Gordon can't get you, and they're backwards. Hey. This is not for sheds, and the harbor's on the other side. We're gonna remove some of the tracks. Come on, let's see. So, hey, the face is stuck. Oh no, what's going on? Yeah, I think his face is not working very well. So watch this. Boom. Like salty crashes. Yeah, Spencer. See his face. His face is working, but it's turning that way. Let's play this. His whistle's not working because from like a year ago his face was working, but not anymore. Actually, we're gonna like fix Emily because she's not working at all. Her like when you like drive her and when you delete her delete button disappears. Sound like Bill. Even though we're gonna add an engine, she's gonna be beside Arthur. Billy's gonna be added in the game. And I don't, guys, I don't have a Twitter, so Emily will crash right here. When I delete her, oh, she's working a little, but It's surprising me. And actually, this is a small harbor. Sorry, no, don't cry, crane. That's cool. And we have lion. Not removing him, but he's gonna see if we're from there about that. There's no don't cry, crane, so let's see. Whee! What is? Boom. Uh, it's nothing, guys. So, guys, do you know that Salty stuck? Oh, Billy's in the game. I mean, not Salty, Stanley. I was talking about. He's stuck. He's the only engine. Some of the engines are stuck. Billy, we're gonna try. Like, I don't like how people remove the wheel texture. The bus station, and there's a shed. There's a little airfield. I don't steal people's models. Oh, I was lagging away. That's where in the remake where, and I actually want to put Stepney at Electric because like in the escape game in Take on Solar, he was at Elbridge. So I'm copying some of the stuff that kind of look a little like Take on Solar. He's number 55 and he can't go on Gordon's Hill. I'm gonna end the video soon, guys, so I'm gonna show you Percy's not working because his wheel's stuck in this game. Because when you delete the wheel textures, and I put Oliver here because like today my account was banned, and then putting Crispy's barbershop over here, and then the game will be updated just like I told you guys. So I'm gonna run and find you Wellsworth. Salty spawns at Wellsworth, but we're gonna take him at the docks, and that's where he should go. And Porter's face falls off. And I don't think we're not gonna add any more mainline. The mainline will end right here. Removing Maron and the others. Guys, if you want to subscribe my channel, please note in the description. We have a church and a lot of tons of building will be in the game or somehow. So guys, I'm gonna show you Thomas, but I'm gonna run very fast. Let's show you Thomas, but not yet. It takes 10 minutes because my video is gonna stop. Come on, this will take years for me to run to get Thomas. And guys, when my account is unbanned, I will get like it's private because the game really needs more working on. Nobody's not supposed to play this game when it's open. It needs to be updated. Well, here's Thomas, guys. Here he is. Some of the three broken engines who are stuck is Percy. And not Thomas, look. Let's go in his cab. Come on, let's go. He's working nicely. Oh, Toby. Come on. Let's go in Toby's cab before my video ends. Okay, in his cab we go. Updating all the engines. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and please, I will see you when my account is banned, but I will see you in escape and when my account is banned. Bye everybody.